Hey guys, I hope you're doing fine staying inside home and learning After Effects and Premiere. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can have the bounce effect or wiggle effect very easy inside the Premiere Pro. And I know it's hassle to go through keyframes, make them manually one by one. So today I'm gonna show you an easy way to do that. For doing this tutorial, you need to have After Effects and Premiere 2019 and above installed in your machine. So let's get started. I will go to After Effects and make a new composition. And inside my composition, I'm gonna make a new layer. And now I'm ready to apply the animation to it. I will right click and from Effect, Distort, I will choose Transform Effect and apply the keyframes to Transform Effect. At the beginning, I want it to be off the screen to the left. Select the key, and in 10 frames, I need it to be back at its first place. So I have the animation right now, and I'm ready to apply the bouncing expression to it. Well, I have the bouncing expression here written down by Dan Ebert from Motionist.Studio, and simply Dan Ebert is the god of expressions, so I'll recommend to go to Motionist.Studio.com and learn a lot from him. I will copy the expression and hold down Alt button and click on the stopwatch, and Control V, I will paste the expression. And let's see, I have the bounce on the layer. Very well. For next step, I need to right click on the position, go to Keyframe Assistant and convert expressions to keyframes. Like that. And for now, I don't need the expression anymore because I have all the keyframes made. Very well. For next step, I'll go to File and export my project as a Premiere Pro project. Save it, and then go to Premiere, import the project, and I can choose Import Entire Project. I will hit OK, and I will open the comp, and I have the layer. And on top of the layer, I have the transform effect with all the bouncing keyframes. So for now, I have the reference, or I have the tools. I'm gonna apply this transform to, for example, a text. Let's write bounce in Premiere Pro and select its position. And go to the layer that I brought it from After Effects, copy the transform and paste it on top of this layer. And like that I have the bouncing effect on my text. And I can do the same for wiggle or any other expression that goes to transform. I can do the exactly same way. Let's go to After Effects and select the position and apply a wiggle effect to it with a speed of 10 and 50 as dimension. Okay, I can change the 50 to 100 so I can see it better, and 10 to probably 5. Very well. And now the next step was to select the opacity, go to Keyframe Assistant and convert expressions to keyframes. And I don't need the expression no more. And I will export my project as a Premiere Pro project. And go to Premiere. Then I will import the entire bounce project And now I have the opacity expressions that I made them, that I baked them to keyframes here. I can copy this transform and apply to my text. Get rid of the last one and apply the new one. All right, so that's easy. That's just few steps to do that, and it will save you a lifetime of making all these keyframes. And to help you more saving your time, I have made 1,000 Premiere Pro motion presets that are ready here in Envato Market. You can go here and download it. It's very easy. It's just preset, and all the tutorial are included. You have in preset for the layer to come inside the frame, loop preset. When you have your layer inside the frame, you can loop the motion of it, and out preset to let the layer goes or fade from the frame. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I'm gonna include the link of this pack and check it out. It will save you tremendous amount of time. Thank you for watching, and just shoot me any question that you have in the comments down below. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Stay safe.